This finally came in. Just gonna be put right here for my new 5-pound propane tank. I already threw them away, but I go through a lot of the little 1-pounders, so it's time to stop going through those and stop adding to the landfill. And finally got one. It's called Ignite. You can get it at REI. It's $100. It's worth it. There she is. All right, here we go. Here we go. 6 3/8-inch holes here. I got 6 3/8-inch bolts with washers and lock washers. Oh boy. It's always so scary to just drill into your car. Alright, I've already checked. There's nothing behind there that is of importance. Strap on, but once you get it, you just twist the thing and it's fine. I'm gonna test and see how the hose hooks up now. There she is. This thing replaces 5 of the little 1-pound green Coleman ones, and it costs the same to fill it up as one of those canisters. So you really just efficiency through the roof. And you'll have this forever. Propane refills are pretty much everywhere. I went to U-Haul today to do mine, and it already gives you the threads to plug into your propane stove. Cool. Currently parked up at a trailhead where I'll be staying tonight. That is slick. Oh no. One of my drawer slides is broken. Oh yeah. Cool. It lives in there. What a bummer. That's super broke. Alright. That's the end of that. How nice is this? Now that I'm using it, maybe the tank won't let me go that much farther anymore, which is kind of annoying. But also a little too late. Just have to deal with it. That's how you clean a van life. Make some rice and chicken. Chicken will be done in a cast iron. It's a brick of butter, by the way. Churned by the Amish. Rolled butter, Amish country. Wisconsin grade. Pretty much get that at any big box store. It's about $10. It'll last me like a while. Probably more, a couple months actually. What's this? Buttery Steakhouse. Still have this weird emotion inside when I do anything like this. It makes me feel, and someone's staring at me, it makes me feel like I'm kind of a loser almost, you know, just living out of my van. Like, I still have this old mentality of should be doing something more, like should be something more in my life than just living in a van. Still gets me almost 3 years later. Not sure when that feeling will subside, but I'm aware of it at least. So when I feel it coming up, I try to remind myself I'm doing this because I love doing this. And there's more than one way to live in life. I don't have to live in a house. Maybe one day I will. For now, I like living outside. Sure, it's a little harder, but it'll build some mental resilience. Yeah, mental strength. I'm all about it. It's the beauty of cast iron. Just use your knife right on it. No one cares. Woo! Smoky. Do like my chicken crispy. So we're camped out at this trailhead that is like the northwest side of Portland. Really busy here. There's a car parked where I was last night, which Brenda's right behind me, which is it's not a bad spot. It's really not that uneven either. So tomorrow we are going to go out to dinner with her dad. Sunday I'm going to go to Mount Hood for some work. I'm going to film that voyage. It should be a fun one. A lot of cool time lapses. Basically drive right down the Columbia River. Super cool stuff. Dude. Who's that green thing? Nature's over here sprinkling some herbs on my chicken. Some evergreen herbs. This pan cool off. Add some oranges to this too, because all that fiber helps push all this stuff right through, you know? Puts me in a good mood. Luckily we got garbage cans here to throw this stuff out. Alright, see you later.
milk all over my lens. I'm gonna have to clean this lens off all the way now. Oh no. Alright, I think that's gonna end this one. It's been a 3 days journey making this vlog. Today we are leaving here. We're gonna go have lunch and some drinks with Brenda's dad. We're gonna go camp out somewhere. I'm not sure where yet, but tomorrow I will be going to Mount Hood, hopefully camping in the snow, if there is snow. I don't know. The weather there is actually kind of nice, so it might just be really cool. Who knows? So we're headed there tomorrow morning. And that's where I'll pick you guys back up. See ya.